Hello everyone, my name is Basi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I cook my beetroot recipe in a way that is both interesting and delicious. So I have figured out my own interesting way to eat beetroot, and trust me guys, you will also find it interesting. So let's get started. So I am taking one beetroot, one small size onion, one carrot and one third of a cabbage. I have peeled them off. After washing I am going to chop them. After washing I have chopped everything into long pieces. These long pieces are looking wow, so satisfying, especially the cabbage. Those long crispy pieces looking so vibrant, isn't it? So let's get started for cooking it now. I am using mustard oil. So let the mustard oil heated up. Okay, it's ready now. Oil is ready now. We can start by adding chilies, green chilies. Then we can add some amount of onion. Keep the flame low. Have added all the vegetables now, and we need to move them. Let's mix them. Keep the flame low. It needs 10 minutes to cook. So let's see. Interesting. The beetroot has started releasing its color. It is looking beautiful now. Keep stirring occasionally. Once they all get softened, then we need to add some salt, and also we need to add the leftover onions. Let it cook for 6 more minutes. Alright, so the beetroot vegetable is ready and let's check it out. Oh wow, it's looking amazing. Okay, keeping it aside. So I have taken the puff fried rice as the base for this vegetable to add the crunchiness. On top of it, I am placing these vegetables. Okay, now on top of this I am adding chana dal namkeen to add extra crunchiness and flavor. Isn't it looking yummy? Okay guys, so my recipe is ready. So my recipe is finally ready and I am going to enjoy it. So if you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel and I will be there with next video soon. Thank you all. Bye bye.